Emma.
Okay, say hi to Honey and Pops.
Emma, our Honey and Pops.
All right, scramble away. So we got a scrambled. We have a scrambled Rubik's Cube here. And Minte's got his eyes closed. He's just messing with it, messing it up even further. All right, go ahead and open your eyes.
Oh,
All
wow.
right, you solve away.
Oh, okay. Dad. Wait, did that wrong. Yeah, no.
Okay, you know that.
You want to talk us through what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm solving Rubik's Cube.
Oh, well, what do you do first?
First you make the white daisy, the yellow daisy. But I'm done now. Now, I got the white done and the T's on each side, the small T's.
Okay.
Next is to get the 2 layers done. This layer and this layer. I feel like a mentor, like a tutor or something like that.
That's what we're trying to do. Figure out how to teach other people.
Wow.
Well, good night.
Why did you say good night?
Good night.
I'm saying good job.
Good job.
I was gonna say that one.
Oh,
Where my little don't
I didn't have to do that.
Hey, I have it too, but I don't have any.
And now we have the 2 layers done, see?
Wow. Okay, and what's last?
I still have like 5 movesets to go.
Okay.
Next is to solve the yellow side.
Okay.
But there's many steps to go. 1, 2. Okay.
Look at anything? Take a look. Anything?
And what do you say to the people who say you took the stickers off?
These are tiles.
They're not stickers, are they?
Nope. Now I have the yellow done. And now I'm going to try to,
Do blue one.
yeah, I guess.
I get it.
So turn that to the back. Counterclockwise. Back
Wait,
2
what?
times.
Why yellow?
Back 2 times, right 2 times. And now we have this. The blue solved, the white solved, the blue, white solved, or the blue, white, and yellow solved.
Okay.
But now we're not done. So
How
now
about green?
shh, now we have to
I guess.
get this red piece in the middle, in the center, which will actually get this over here, and it'll solve the whole thing, I guess.
Yeah.
So up, and then that, 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 and then that.
What? Craziness.